let's talk about labels, why they're important, and what should be on them. If you guys have ever had this situation happen before, your friend is so excited about something that they make and they bring it over to you in an unmarked container and put it in your hands. And you say, thank you, put it away, and then you come across that product at some point down the road and you use it and you might have a skin reaction to it. Well, it'd be great to know what's in that product so you know what you're actually sensitive to. Or hopefully the other side of it, which you use that product and you fall in love with it. And you call your friend up and you said, oh my God, that lip balm that you gave me, it's wonderful. I want more. And they say, which one was it? And you say, I don't know, because there wasn't any label on it. Oh no! We've got to label our products. The unfortunate situation that I heard about most recently was that someone used the thieves oil in a lip balm and it burned a lot of people. And unfortunately, no one that used it had any idea of what was even in the container that had the little heart drawn on top of it. So it's absolutely important for you to have labels on your product. I will be offering classes this year on what needs to be on your label, how to design your label, and also how to factor in your true cost of your product so that you can price your product accordingly. I teach medicine making at a local herbalism school, and these are not things that are offered to any of our students there, but they're absolutely important for you to know as a product maker how to sell your product. One comment that I consistently get when people see my products is, oh my God, your labels are awesome. These could be in a store. And granted, I do have a page design degree, so I have the eye for design, but I'm gonna teach you guys that. I'm gonna teach you what needs to be on your label, things that I've figured out through the years because, you know, I've made different labels in the past, and especially how to cost your product. So if you are interested in any of these classes to fine-tune your products before you go out into the weekend markets that are going to be coming up this summer, reach out to me and check out my offerings at rootsofalchemy.com in the learning opportunities section, where you'll be able to sign up for a class and learn all about how to design your own labels and how to price out your product, as well as how to build a model for projection. I worked at a CBD company when they were in their very beginning stages. I formulated all of their products for them, and then we quickly grew, and it was really important for me to be able to build a projection model so that we could scale up our orders for what we needed to create those products based on the growth that we were experiencing. So this allowed us to order the right amount of resources so that we had it in stock to actually make the product, as well as reduce our shipping costs because we could project into the future what we were going to need and order accordingly. So if you are interested in these classes, either write to me at rootsofalchemy@gmail.com or check out my learning opportunities on my website, rootsofalchemy.com. Sending a lot of love to you, and I hope you're creating something wonderful. Let's label it. See you soon.